Good day. By looking at, of course, you can see what it is. So this is the crank sensor. As you can see, it has been wrapped around. The reason why it is being wrapped around, because this is the average people, average mechanics, or average workshops are doing the same mistake again and again. So if it's meant to remove the gearbox for the clutch plate, pressure plate, or flywheel, whatever the repairs are being occur on the gearbox, so first thing that they have to do is to remove the crank sensor. I have done enough videos on it, but I just want to give a refresh idea of it. Before you remove the gearbox, you better remove it, otherwise it will be break. So this is the common mistake which has happened, and then they have wrapped it around with the tapes and then insert the crank sensor. It's just to sake of having it. What happening is, while you having this kind of fix, the vehicle will not respond. It will lose the total response. So therefore, be careful and be better to be follow the guidelines. We have set the complete guidelines and then hand posters in our workshop, what to do and how to do. So I'll post this picture of it so everyone can follow the best practice steps before you remove the gearbox. Come on, I'll show you up. So these are the steps that you have to follow. The first thing is to remove the crank sensor before removing the gearbox. Check the pressure plate surface, check the flywheel surface, check the release bearing, check the pilot bearing and bush, check the gearbox internal oil seal, check the crank oil seal outer. So these are the steps that you have to follow. Especially the first one is highlighted, to remove the crank sensor before removing the gearbox.